The idea of cancer therapy is to eliminate cancer cells without affecting too many normal cells. So this is what really the ultimate aim of people like me working at the forefront of molecular levels cancer biology. But we also work on many things because we work at the very core of fundamental biology. Without pure research, no medical breakthrough will ever happen. I'll give you a very simple example. So, the reason we were able to test for coronavirus so quickly is because of the test is based on PCR. Polymerase chain reaction is based on structure of DNA. DNA structure was discovered in 1953. In 1983, the PCR was used to amplify bits of DNA. So the test PCR is based on 30 years of knowledge which came from fundamental research. Our job is not to glorify personal ambitions. We contribute lots of bits of information which is based on what other people had discovered. I could never say that I have made one great contribution which is going to change the world. I haven't. The cumulative scientific knowledge actually does that, not a single individual. One of the beauty about science is that you don't know what you're going to find. It could be under a microscope, or it could be out in the universe, finding a new planet or a star, or how the stars are born, or a big black hole. The idea of seeing something which nobody has seen before. So, whether you're an explorer or a scientist, we sort of do the same thing. And that's beautiful.